What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be doing a little maintenance on my slide out. We're going to be using two sprays. One's by Camco. It's their slide out lube and protectant. We're going to go ahead and spray these on the racks down here, keep those nice and lubricated. The second one we're going to be using is from Ford, the slide out rubber seal conditioner. We're going to go ahead and spray this one on the seals, keep those seals nice and moist. I first started this about 2 months ago because my slide was actually sticking to these seals right here, causing drag as I was going in and out. So I started about 2 months ago and it completely eliminated the problem the first time I actually lubed the seals. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in case any of you guys are having the same issues. And by the way, if you're interested in any of these products, I'll go ahead and put the links down in the description below. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a rag and we're going to go ahead and clean the bottom of the slide, just kind of knock off the heavy debris. Then we're going to take our Camco slide out lube and protection, our oil here, our grease, whatever you want to call it, and you're just going to spray the bottom of the wheel. I kind of got a little sloppy on that one, but you're going to want to do the exact same on the other side, on your other rack. Now for the second part, we're going to use this rubber conditioner by Ford. There is an extra precaution we take for the inside seal, which we'll go ahead and cover on the next part of this video. But for now, all you do for this, of course you're going to want to wipe your seal down, which we already did. Get all the heavy debris off of it. Then we're going to get our ladder here. Just kind of go ahead and coat the seal. This conditions the rubber and makes it pliable so it don't stick to the side of your slide out. And you want to wipe off the excess. A little rag. We'll go all the way down. And we'll go ahead and repeat that process on the other side. All right, now we'll go ahead and coat this second side. Go ahead and wipe out the excess. Now we'll just kind of let that sit and do its thing, and it'll all run down the rubber seal. Now we're going to go ahead and get the inside seal. We're going to move the slide out in so we can access the seal. Okay, now you can see we brought the slide in and we got the seal facing this way. That way we could go ahead and put the rubber conditioner on it. So it's going all the way down. Now the extra precaution we're going to take, since we're on the inside of the RV, I'm going to spray the conditioner directly onto the rag and wipe it on, because you don't want to get this stuff on the walls of your RV and stain the walls. Go ahead and get this on. Then we'll go ahead and just wipe it down from the top all the way to the bottom. Now we'll repeat the process on the other side. Alright, I'm here with my assistant for today, my lovely girlfriend, Amanda. She's sitting there. Now I'm going to go ahead and link both these products below. If you guys are interested, just go ahead and click in the description below. As always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.